Greetings, channels. It is now Sunday, the 19th of July, the fourth Sunday of our weekend drills. Yesterday we came, both myself and my partner, and we took content, exercising content, and we posted on our Facebook page and on our YouTube channel. We are UPI, both on Facebook and on YouTube. Even today, my partner is still coming. She's creeping at the back, and that's something that has become a habit, and I hate it. As we were running together, 3 minutes within our run, she started complaining that she was tired, and I didn't like it. So, and I thought, let me not express my anger towards her. Let me just run and leave her. Because I feel like now she's resting or relaxing on her feet, which is something I hate. Because when you're exercising or when you're training, no matter what you do, whether you are studying or you are doing exercises, once you get used to resting to a certain point and you make that a habit, it's more like a comfort zone to you. It's your comfort. So I feel like now she's too comfortable. She don't want to overcome her comfort. And for me, I feel like she's not exercising. She's just here for fun. And I'm mad at her. But I'm not going to tell her that. I'm just sharing this with you on the channel so that you can know my point of view of what she's doing. It's something bad. So even yourself, if you are someone who trains and you have developed a habit of stopping, maybe when you're doing push-ups, you have developed a habit of stopping at 10 or 15. You can't do the same thing over and over and over again. Like, it doesn't matter how many times you've been exercising. That's your limit. No, you have to strive to overcome your limit. If for the first week you had a habit of stopping at 15, the next week, the second week, you have to strive to overcome that limitation and stop at 20, and then on the next week at 30. We are striving towards greatness, and those of you who don't know, greatness has no limits. You keep overcoming. There's always a next step. You can't rest in one limitation. In the same point over and over again. You have to strive to overcome that. So, yeah, this video is the layer in the series that I call Sunday motivation. So I'll leave it at here for now. Today looks like I'm the only one who's going to exercise, and I want to do push-ups in the sand. Maybe I'll do only that, but I'll make sure that I'll do as many sets as I can. Okay. So this is the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Looks like today everybody's doing what they like. She's doing her lady squats, and I'm doing my push-ups. I think I'm gonna take a video of the next round. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, Sure. Yeah, it's raining, but we're outside. That's rough. I feel like doing it different this time. Sure. Oh, this is your third moose. Because I didn't take the video of your first. Sure. Sure. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's raining and we didn't do much, but we did try to jog off. We didn't drive, we jogged, and then we got to our gym point, of which we did some fitness. We did what do you call it, push-ups, and I also did few squats since it's raining. So yeah, I think we're done for today. But he doesn't want to go home, he wants to go. I took his shoes because my first color is good because of skin and Simmons. Now that's it. Turn it on.
So today, we couldn't take as many videos as we promised because it's raining and the phone is getting wet. So yeah, I think we'll leave only